Hello, my friend. My name is Manny Hinojosa, Global Brand Ambassador for Tequila Cazadores, and today I'm gonna be making you a prickly pear ranch water. Prickly pear ranch water. Ranch water is normally tequila blanco, Topo Chico mineral water, squeeze of lime, but I'm gonna enhance it, make it cooler with perfect puree of Napa Valley prickly pear. So super easy to make, and it's gonna be beautiful. So what I'm gonna pour an ounce of prickly pear fruit puree right there. I'm gonna do an ounce and a half of Tequila Cazadores Blanco. I'm gonna do a squeeze of fresh lime right here. I mix everything. I'm gonna top this with ice and mineral water, Topo Chico, and this is your prickly pear ranch water to enjoy this summer. Enjoy.